Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make orange dessert cup. This is a refreshing summer dessert which is very easy and simple to make. For 2 cups of dessert, take 2 oranges, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 100 ml whipping cream, 3 biscuits, 3 teaspoon powdered sugar. Squeeze the juice from 1 orange, which is around 1 cup, or you can use store-bought orange juice. In a pan, add half cup orange juice and 1 tablespoon of corn flour and mix it well to ensure there is no lumps. After that, add the remaining juice and add 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar if orange juice is sour. Now turn on the gas at low flame and keep mixing until it thickens and start bubbling. Turn off the stove and pour the thickened orange juice into the glasses or cups. Set it aside to cool. Meanwhile, crush the biscuit in a grinder and set them aside. Peel and slice 1 orange into bite-sized pieces like this. Take whipping cream straight from the fridge. Add 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar and vanilla essence if you like. Whisk slowly, increase the speed until it thickens and hold its shape. Stop whipping to avoid over whisking. Once the orange juice has cooled down, add crushed biscuit on the top. Then add the chopped oranges. Finally, fill the whipped cream into the piping bag and pipe it on the top of the chopped oranges like this. Now look at this, our healthy and delicious orange dessert is ready. Please give this recipe a try, and if you enjoy the video, please like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching my video.